Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing a question that involves both permutation and combination. Okay, first thing that students need to understand is that there are some important keywords given in this question which clearly give us clue about what method we need to use. Okay, so when you see the word choosing, it clearly involves NCR, combination formula, and when you see the word arranging, it clearly involves NPR, which is permutation formula. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Okay, we have a word known as Bermula, and inside this word we have 7 letters. Bermula. We have 7 letters. So our first task is to choose three letters from this word. So basically when we are choosing 3 letters from 7 letters, it is going to be 7 choose 3. And if you press this in calculator, you're going to get 35. Okay, so as you can see on the right here, which I highlight in yellow box for you, I have already list down all the 35 combinations that you can get from these 7 letters when you choose 3 from them. Okay, a few examples that I can give you is BER, BEM, BEU, and so on. So please take note, I have 5 here, and then I have 7 rows. Okay, so total here I have 35 combinations. Okay, during exam time you no need to list this one down because it is not necessary and it's also time consuming, but I have put on the screen to make your understanding better. Okay, so once you have already chosen a particular combination, for example, if I'm talking about this combination which involves B, M and A, I can rearrange them because it also involves arranging. So what will happen here, if I take the BMA, I can rearrange the BMA into BAM permutation or MAB, MBA, ABM, AMB. Okay, so if you really see these 6 permutations here, all of them actually involves one single combination, because it involves the same characters only. For example, B, 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 M, 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 and then A. It is just the same characters, which is basically B, M, and A. They are only arranged in different ways. That is why all these 6 rows are considered one combination, but one combination produces 6 different permutation. So this one you have to understand clearly so that we can answer part A of the question. Okay, so now they are saying we need to choose a 3-letter word and letter A must be chosen. So if you go and see the list of combination that I've given you, I can highlight a few that has letter A. Maybe I can use this color to show you. Here there is a letter A, 1. Here there is a letter A, 2. Here there is a letter A. 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 Here there is a letter A here. A here. A here. A here. A. A and A. Okay, I hope I didn't leave out anything. I'm quite sure that I have highlighted everything. So I can clearly say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of them. Okay, but since exam time, we will not develop this list. We need to have a method to get the answer 15 in a faster way. So what is the right way to do? Since we need to have A, we have to see how many A's we have in our word. We only have one A at the end. So 1 choose 1. And then multiply by balance. Since you already used the A, balance you only have 6. So from the balance 6, choose another 2 letters. Okay. Please take note 1 plus 2, you'll end up getting 3 because that is the total number of letters we want end of the day. So always check this. Please do not put 3 here. It will be a mistake. So 1 choose 1 is 1 and 6 choose 2 is 15. So you'll get 15 and that is the 15 highlighted here for you. And exam time, you don't have to do this. And as I explained here, we have 15 combination and each combination can permutate into 6 different arrangement because we are required to choose, and after you choose we have to arrange them. So you have 15 combination and each combination can go into 6 permutation, so you're going to end up getting 90 as your answer for part A. Okay, so that's how you settle part A. Okay, so we are done with part A. Let's move on to part B. Okay, so now they want letter A not chosen. Please highlight the word not chosen. Okay, so the total number of combinations are 35 as shown in this list here. 15 of them, as I circled with red marker, contains A. So if you don't want A to be included, we clearly know that the one that does not have A is 35 minus 15, which is 20 combinations. And once you have 20 combination, we're going to arrange the 20 combination. So it's going to be 20 multiplied by 6. So it's going to be 120. Okay, so that's the end of part B. It is as straightforward as part A. Okay. And then I'm going to move to C. Okay, part C, you've got to analyze deeply because we need to know what are the vowels involved. Okay, as you can see, we have the word Bermuda, Bermula. So basically, this is my vowel, this is my vowel, and this is my vowel. Okay, so they are actually requesting us to find only one vowel is chosen. So we have total 3 vowels. So basically I have 3 vowels. I'm going to choose one of them and then balance the consonants 1, 2, 3, 4. From the 4, I'm going to choose another 2. So here I'll end up getting 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by, 3 multiplied by 6, which is equivalent to 18 combinations. Okay, and likewise, all the 18 combination, when I permutate, each combination will have 6 different permutation. So it's going to be 18 multiplied by 6, which will give us 108 as our final answer for C. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so let's move further to part D, the last one. Okay, we want at least one vowel to be chosen. At least, please take note. Okay, so the minimum must be one vowel. Maximum it can go up to all the vowels, which is 3 vowels. So we're gonna do one vowel plus with 2 consonants, or 2 vowels plus with 1 consonant, 3 vowels plus with no consonants. So we're gonna do the breakdown for all 3 of them. Or what we can do, we can just do all consonants and minus from the total. So you can do this longer method or you can do the counterpart method. It's up to you. But I'm going to show you the long method anyway. So I'm going to have one vowel going with 2 consonants. So I have 3, choose 1, multiply with the balance 4 consonants, choose 2. So I'm going to do the working, 3 choose 1 and 4 choose 2, which will give me about 3 multiplied by 6. 18, and then 3 choose 2 multiply by 4 choose 1. Okay, so here 3 choose 2 is going to be 3, multiply by 4 choose 1 going to be 4, which is 12. And then 3 choose 3 multiply by 4 choose 0, which is going to be 1 times 1, which is 1. So total here I will have 31 combination. Okay, that involves at least one vowels. Okay, so all the 31 combination will have 6 permutation. So 31 multiplied by 6, you will get 186. So that is going to be your final answer for your part D. Okay. If you want to do the other method, I can show you also. So let me erase some of my working here. Okay. So as you can see from here, I have total 35 combinations. Okay. So among this combination, how many of them only involves a vowel? Because when I say I want at least one vowel, I can have one vowel, two vowel, three vowel. So that uh, the only scenario that doesn't come into this category is all consonants. So I have to choose all consonants. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I have four consonants, and I'm gonna choose three from them. Okay, so when we do 4 choose 3, you're gonna get 4. Okay, so from the 35 combination, when you minus the 4, I have 31 combination that definitely involves at least one vowel. So I'm gonna take 31, and then I'm gonna multiply with 6 because I'm gonna permutate, so I will get 186 here as well as the same answer. So it is up to students whether they want to show you the long working or they want to do the short one. Of course, short one is more recommended because it is more time saving and much more reliable, but for understanding purposes, you may try to do the long method first so that you can really understand how to analyze the question in depth. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you. Please revisit the working, and if you have any question, you may post a comment and I will definitely reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you.